Hey guys, what's up? My name is Satyam and this is the new PHP tutorial. In the previous tutorial, we are talking about what is the sorting of array and how we sort the array. So in this tutorial, I am going to tell you what is the super global variable. Okay, if you didn't watch the previous tutorial, then first I recommended to you, you must watch the previous tutorial. For the watching these all previous tutorial, you must visit this link www.tutorialwars.com so that you can watch all tutorial at one place. Okay, so let us start it. Why the super global variable? Let us start it. So PHP global variable, it's mean I want to say that it's super global. Okay, so several predefined variable in the PHP are the super global. It's mean that they are already defined and we have to not define it again, which means that they are always accessible regardless of the scope. From where you want to access, we can access it very easily, and you can access them from the any function class file without having to do anything special. Okay, it simply want to say that from where we want to access it, we can access very easily. We have not to do any special thing for that one. Okay, so in this tutorial I am going to provide tell you what's a global variable and a little bit about the local variable and not much more things. So let us start the first. I'm going to know what are the super global. Okay, so PHP super globals are the first one is the global, and second is the server, third is the request, next post, get, file, env, cookies, session. So in this tutorial I will tell you only a global variable, and if you want to know about this thing, and then you can search it online. So one thing I'm going to tell you what is the get and post, and these are the two methods, so that if we click at the submit button, then our data would be sent our the database. So the purpose of get and post is same, but post is more secure than get. So nowadays we use the post. So let's start. I'm going to providing a simple quick example. Okay, so one thing more, I'm going to tell you what is the global variable. So let's just start it. So, and this was the about the previous tutorial how we are sorting the array. So let us remove it and we have to do it again. So first of all, I'm going to tell you what's a global variable. A variable which we define the outside of main function, that we call the global variable, and the function then variable which we define the inside the function is called the local variable. So if you don't know about the what is function, then you must watch the previous tutorial. Then I recommended for that's why I am saying to you again and again. First you should watch every tutorial from begin to last so that you didn't face any problem. Okay, so just I am going to define two variable. So first one is a x equal to 30, and our next x equal to 6. Okay, so these are the so I'm going to defining a function that will be add. So let us start it. So how we will define the function? So we write the function, and we want to write the name of function whatsoever you want. So I'm going for adding these function. So one thing more I'm going to tell you, you should use the function name appropriately, so that if I call that one function, then user can understand. So I'm going to adding to these functions, so that's why I write here add. So if you want to write anything set xyz whatsoever I want to write, I can write, but I write here add so that it can be easy for me, so that I can understand it. Okay, so that's why I write here add. So we are defining a function. Okay, so in the function what we have to do, so let us start it. We have to use the global. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to do global. Okay, globals. Okay, and in the globals I'm going to, okay, these are two more things I'm going to find to y. Okay, so it should be erase one. Okay, y. So globals, so what we have to write it in globals. So I'm going to write here a z. Okay, so compiler can understand it very easily. So I write here z, and what we have to do, we have to add these two values, global x and global y. Why we told it's global? Because it's outside of main function. Okay, I hope you got it what I want to say to you. And what we write here, we have to write here x. Okay, $x. No, we have to not use the dollar sign because we already use the global. That's why we remove it. Okay, only x. And what we have to use? We have to use the plus operator, and again we have to use the dollar sign because we use the dollar sign before the global. That's why we have to not necessarily again using again. So again, globals. Oops. Okay, globals. And what we have to do? We have to use here y. Okay. So and what we have to do, we have to call the function. And how we will call the function? And we will go outside these braces and we will call add. If you didn't watch the function how we call the function, then you must watch the previous tutorial. Okay, so and what we have to print, we have to print the value of z. That's why we write echo and dollar sign, that's one z. Okay, I hope you got it. So let us save it and let us run our program. So that is asset.php. So localhost. So I'm for the localhost at sta.php. Oops, not sta. It's something different. That's on sta. So this is also